water like a playful dog, a Kate. The sun shone bright, your tail wide with delight. But the next day you were gone, leaving us inside. We laughed and played, but now it feels so wrong. Those memories, they linger like a sad song. The lake's waves echo your playful splash, but now it's just me with tears that pass. A year ago today was a Sunday, our last at the lake. You ran and jumped in the water, but you died the next day. No mistake. The vet said it was time, but it still breaks my heart. Every time I see the lake, I feel your absence a hard part. We buried you there where you love to play. Flowers around you, a small sweet wave. The grass still green, the sky still blue, but you're not here, and that's what I can't get through. A year ago today was a Sunday, our last at the lake. You ran and jumped in the water, but you died the next day. No mistake. The vet said it was time, but it still breaks my heart. Every time I see the lake, I feel your absence a hard part. A year ago today was a Sunday, our least at the lake. You ran and jumped in the water, but you died the next day. No mistake. The vet said it was time, but it still breaks my heart.